and you only get snow once a year, you're never prepared.
Oh my goodness, you guys. You've made such good progress.
I'm Kate, and this is my husband Mick. Our kids, Thomas and Bentley, and my parents, Kevin and Shawna. We are 3 generations coming together to create the Cruising Meraki Project.
By the sea, silver caps the ocean. We'll be sailing free. I don't know this notion, but I know it to be true. I just can't stop singing. Oh, how baby I love you.
We're thinking we'll spend our first night on the boat tonight. And what's it like outside? Is it just sunny and beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not like a windy snowstorm or anything.
Like a 3-foot snowbank we have to try and get through.
Once a year, you're never prepared. It's very light snow, hey? Like we never get light fluffy snow. It's always wet and gross. Okay, hang on guys, we're gonna make a run for it. It's our last ditch attempt. Good job, you were determined.
Silky pillow. Well, yeah, we kind of had to. We were either stuck or we were going.
It's beautiful. Quick stop for some supplies.
Doesn't go forward.
How are we gonna get down a snowy dock with all this stuff?
Is it gonna fit in one trolley? Yeah, I got the trolley.
That's your shovel. Nice, there's a path. It's brutal. It's so windy. Oh my goodness. It hurts my eyes. Okay, let's hope Meraki's not too buried in the snow. Poor girl. She's not meant for this kind of weather. She's like me. She's meant for the heat. She's okay. How's it going, Bentley? Are you clearing snow for us? You should probably have a life jacket on. Okay, we made it through the snowstorm. We made it out of our driveway. We made it down the dock. And we're in the boat. And honestly, I've been here for 5 minutes and all of a sudden I went, oh, I gotta look at my paint dry. And it kind of just looks like it was always meant to be that way, which I feel really good about. All this was teak before. Oh, it's huge improvement. Huge, huge, huge. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, it's so much brighter and fresh and clean looking. I really love it. We've got the boys' sweet little room. Nicely installed new puck lights. Painted white walls. They're sharing a bed right now. This is like a big queen size bed. But there is another bunk over here that's currently Mick's tool storage that we will get set up. What in the world are you doing back there?
Yesterday I pulled the water tanks out, and today it's the fuel tank or bladder. And I was really hoping that there wasn't much fuel in there. And I popped the cap off and it's like right at the level. I don't know how far this goes down though. So I have a little drill pump and this was like really bent. So I tried to straighten the tube out. Is the diesel gonna melt the tape?
Right.
Yeah, what a setup. Okay. I don't know which way it goes. Not that way. Not that way.
What do you mean?
It doesn't work.
Did you read the instructions?
Yeah, man.
What did they say?
It said stick the tubes in and fire up the drill.
Is it for sure in gas? Take the stick out and see if it's wet. Oh wow. Yes, it's definitely. Wow, the gas is just right there.
Yeah, it's right there. Stupid stuff is annoying.
Have you got it?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Just all the kinks in the line.
Okay, back to this really fun project of covering the countertops. This is one of our hatches for, it's not the fridge hatch, it's just like a dry storage. But my plan is to just put it on oversized and then trim it afterwards. Okay, so I'm a bit in a tired mood. It's probably a bad time to be doing this because I'm not going to have any patience. Start by just peeling off an inch or two at the top. Getting it stuck all over your sweater, that's bonus. And then, is that covering the edge? Is that over the edge?
Just on this side.
Fancy old debit card. Just to give you the old schmoody schmood. And voila! My 5-minute makeover! I love it! So good! I've kind of been putting off finishing this project because I don't really enjoy it. But I do really want to do it. So it's a battle. Okay, that felt good. Nice big piece in. Now, these tiles are much easier than the counters. And they look alright too. So that's good. Well, a little bit tedious, but really doable for anyone. And I have to say, a month later, it's held up pretty good, and I'm pretty happy that I went to the effort of covering over our ugly emerald kitchen. Well, we had our first night on the boat last night. It was super cozy. Snowed through the night and again in the morning, but we were warm and cozy. It was great. It feels good. It feels like home. Feels like it could be our home once we have running water and things like that. I really want to finish the kitchen off. I think that's my goal for today. My, what a short little man there is in my house.
Hello.
What are you doing?
We pulled the tanks out.
Got it. Funny little thing.
Yeah. And I disconnected all the lines. And I'm going to replace them all. And I'm just tracing where they go. And the water maker has about 20 hoses and nothing's labeled. And I found the manual. So I'm just going through and labeling everything.
Hi! Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh my goodness, you guys. You've made such good progress.
The white looks nice, hey?
Oh,
This
it's
looks like it's
beautiful.
always meant to be that way.
It just looks beautiful. Very cozy.
What a difference.
Brightened it up.
And I finished the kitchen last night. I got in bed and went, I didn't film any of that. I think I was just so ready for the project to be over. But I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I mean, there's definitely, it's not perfect. My hope is it just lasts, because it's just like waterproof contact paper on the bottom and then these waterproof stick-on tiles. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I really wasn't sure how I would do these, but they turned out pretty good. I have water tanks right now, so that's our water tank. And then Mick just needs to do a little bit of caulking for me. Cover up these seams. I am pretty pleased. Pretty pleased indeed.